Okay, guys, so today's verb is the verb ASERU. Actually, we've seen it several times already, but the meaning is to rush, to be in a hurry, or also to be impatient, I guess. Okay, so ASERU, the kanji is ase, and the verb, the hiragana, sorry, is ru. So we're gonna be changing that for the R, ne, colon, when we do it the other forms, since it is a irregular verb. So let's look at each form. The first one is the dictionary one, aseru. So for example, mai asa aseru. Mai asa aseru, ne? Asa means morning, asa. Mai means every. So every morning, ne? Mai asa. So aseru is I'm in a hurry, ne? I'm always in a hurry in the morning. So every morning for me it's a rush. Like I wake up and then I have to rush to have breakfast and then to go to work. So this is what you're telling here when you say mai asaseru, ne? To commute and everything. Okay. Now the masuke, you're gonna need to change the ru for ri, ne? So the r, keep the r and change u for e. So aserimasu. Okay, aserimasu. And for example, eki ni aserimasu, ne? Eki ni aserimasu. Eki means station. So this means that you are rushing to get to the station. Okay, like let's say you usually have more time, but today for some reason you kind of left home late, so you are in a rush to get on a train that you always ride. Okay, so eki ni aserimasu. Okay. Now the negative form, then we're gonna need to change the ru for ra, ne? So keep the r, change the u for a. So aseranai, aseranai. For example, aseranai de kudasai, aseranai de kudasai, which means don't rush, ne? Don't rush, like chill, ne? Like, which also I think that here could also mean like impatience, ne? Like don't be so impatient, ne? Like, just breathe and relax. Ne, aseranai de kudasai. Like just kind of take a break. So aseranai de kudasai is an advice that actually you will find yourself giving to people in Japan, because we all tend to aseru in Japan somehow. I don't know, But anyway, the next one is the teke, the imperative form. So we're gonna be changing the ru for a small tsu. So when you pronounce it, you're gonna give a little pause. Ne, asette, asette. Ne, itsumo asette kairu, itsumo asette kairu. So every time, ne, or every day, ne, I go home asette, ne, like, so I go home in a rush. So let's say, for example, I used to live in Kyoto and I was working in Osaka, so I was commuting from Osaka to Kyoto. So every time, like since I finished work late, I would have to rush to the station to make sure that I would catch the last train to go home. So that was a situation that I found myself actually saying this phrase a lot. Ne, itsumo asete kairu, ne. So it's when you are in a rush to basically go home. Okay, and it's always when it's a pattern that you do it almost every day. Okay, guys, so that was the verb aseru. I hope you guys enjoy it, and I'll see you on the next one. また次の動詞までですね。Bye.